For this video, we're going to look at weighted mean. Specifically, we're going to look at calculating a GPA. So we're going to look at a typical schedule, maybe here at Caldwell Community College, and maybe you are taking Math 143, maybe you're taking English 111, maybe you're taking Bio 111, and maybe you're taking History 112. And in a typical college, you earn credits or credit hours for each course you take. Math 143 is worth 3 credit hours. English 111, depending on the college, could be worth 3 or 4. Here it's worth 3. Bio 111 has a lab with it and it's worth 4. And English 112 is worth 3. So let's say you're taking those classes, and let's go ahead and calculate the number of hours that you're taking. And remember, in Google, if you want to do math, you start by typing equals. So we're going to type equals sum, because sum means add something up. And I'm going to highlight what I want to add up and hit enter. And I'm taking 13 credit hours. So let's just put total credits. Let's put total hours so we don't get confused about that. Okay, so now it's time for my grades, and let's suppose I make, a B in Math 143, a C in English 111, not doing so well in biology, so I'll make a D in that, and I make an F in History 112. So the way quality points work, and I'll just go over here and show you, is that if you get an A, you get 4 quality points for each credit. If you get a B, you get 3 quality points for each credit. If you get a C, you get 2 quality points for each credit. A D is worth 1 quality point. And an F is worth no quality points. So that's how your grading scale works. So over here for my quality points, I get a B, and again that's worth 3 points. I get a C is worth 2 points. I get a D, that's 1 point, and I get an F, that's 0 points. Now, it's not just this number of points that you get for each one, it's times the number of credits you make. So for my points that I have earned, if I go over here and I type equals, and I pull my credits which are in B2 times my points which are in D2, and I hit enter, it tells me that I have earned 9 points for Math 143. Now in Google, I can go over here and I can highlight my column, and I can hit Control D, and it will fill down the math that I've done. So it actually did the math for each cell. It did B3 times D3 for this one, it did B4 times D4, and it just copied it down. So now I want to know how many points I've actually earned. So I'm going to go equals sum, and I'm going to highlight and hit enter, and I have earned 19 quality points. So if I want to calculate my GPA, what I do is I go over here and I say, okay, I earned 19 points, and I'm going to divide them by the credits I have attempted. So equals, and my points that I've earned is in column E6, so I highlighted that. I'm going to hit the division symbol, so divided by, whoops, that's the backslash, not the division, so divided by, and then B6, and I'm going to hit enter, and my GPA is 1.4615. They're usually carried out to 2 decimal places for GPA, 1.46. So that would be my GPA. Now most colleges are going to require a 2.0. So this is how you get your GPA. And you could use this program if you change, the number of the grade that you made. It would automatically change it over here because we have used the spreadsheet to get our calculations.